Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and I have to share something really exciting with you. It's March, it's National Quilt Month, and I'm so jazzed. Sarah every month from Confessions of a Fabric Addict has her hands to help, and she always is so generous to include Quilty Hugs in that. And I recently reviewed Lisa Alexander's book, and it has 12 super great scrap quilts. She asked about donating to Quilty Hugs, and this big box came. Let's see what she sent us. So this is all from Moda Fabrics, Lisa Alexander. Quilt number 1. Look at this cute baby quilt. All right. Quilt number 2. This is a table runner. Like that? Awesome. Quilt number 3. Look how sweet that is. Awesome. Quilt number 4. That's the end of that bag. Look how cute these are. Such great baby quilts. All right, into this next bag. What do we have here? Oh my, it's a big one. Look at the beautiful fabrics. I don't even think I'm tall enough to show you all of this. Thank you, Moda and Lisa. This is so generous. All right, what else is here? Oh, quilt blocks. Cute heart quilt blocks. We'll have to put these together with our sew-in. All right, another great quilt. It's great for a boy. Super. Thank you. Look how beautiful this one is. Another great quilt. Thank you, Moda, and thank you, Lisa. Just keeps going. It's like Mary Poppins' bag. Look how sweet this is. So cute. This will bring so much comfort. Oh, there's 2 there. Here's another cute one. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. This one has a label. It's from Emily Dickinson. Thank you, Emily. Thank you so much. Great name. Oh, look at, I love churn dashes. Look how cute that is. So cute. All right. These cute O's. Thank you. Will go out to cancer patients and bring comfort and hope in their battle. Thank you so much. And here's another top. Great red and white one. With pluses and X's. Oh, and there's more blocks to do like a Lone Star. Wow. So cool. All right. That's the bottom of our box. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, Moda. Thank you, Sarah, for always giving us a shout out. Bye.